Hello, boys and girls. It is week 28 at Silva Elementary. I hope all of you are well. This week, we will be learning about Cubism, and we will be creating Picasso-inspired portraits. Now, a portrait is a drawing of a person, okay? Like the face, including eyes and nose, mouth. Or you could decide to do a self-portrait where you draw yourself. Now, we are not going to draw ourselves in a normal way. We're going to use this Roll-A-Picasso to help us draw in the style of Picasso. Now, Picasso and George Braque created a special type of painting called Cubism, okay? In these cubistic paintings, it seems like all parts of the person or the object are seen all at the same time. Cubism paintings look like they are made out of cubes and other geometric shapes, and they often have many angles. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to leave this on my website, and you see here's dice. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. First, we're going to look at the first roll. Okay. So what I have here, and you're going to have this on your screen, I have the roll of dice. It's on YouTube. It's a video. And basically, it just keeps going and going and going. And when I'm ready to pick, I just click pause. And look, 2, 1, 2. So on my first roll, I'm doing the shape of my face. So this is roll number 1. And I got a 2, so I'm going to find the 2. And that's the shape I'm going to make. It looks kind of like a potato. So I'm going to get my pencil. Make sure your paper's going up and down. Okay, this is portrait. Okay, whenever you do paper, this is portrait and this is landscape. Landscape is for doing drawings of outside, and portrait is for the vertical going up and down is for doing drawings of people. So remember, I rolled number 2 and I'm going to draw this kind of potato shape. Okay, I'm going to fill my paper. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just try your best, okay? Draw light until you get it right. Okay, now I'm ready for roll number 2, the second roll. So I'm going to press play, which remember, this is going to be on the website. Okay, this is on my art lesson for week 28. I'm ready to stop it. Pause. Oh, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm on my second roll, and I'm at 4. Oh, that's the eye I'm going to do. I'm going to do one of those eyes. Okay, if I want to do 2, I can. Okay, so it's a kind of a diagonal line. I'm going to make mine go off the paper. That's okay if you do that, and we'll just erase some of these lines. Okay, you can make it big or small, as big or small as you want. With zigzag lines as the eyelashes. Cool, I like it. I can keep that line or I can erase it. Okay, so that's my eye. Now let's go to the third roll. So I'm going to come back to this dice, roll of dice. And it's going, and it's going, and it's going. Pause. 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to go to the third roll for my nose. I'm going to go all the way down to 4. See, here's 4. My third roll, that's my nose. So this nose is going to come down, across, and up with 2 nostrils on top of each other. That's not how our nose is. But Picasso believed in creating a painting that no one else could create. He thought it was easy to copy something that looked real, but that it was more difficult and more interesting to create something unique and different. Okay, so now I'm on my 4th roll. Number 4 is the mouth. So I'm going to click play again, roll a dice. It's going, it's going, it's going. Pause. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I immediately know that's 6 because there's groups of 3 and 3. Okay, and 3 plus 3 is 6. If you don't know, just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. So my 4th roll is my mouth, and 6 is down here. Because I know this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come down and across. So this is what my mouth is going to look like. Pretty easy. a big one, and a short one. Okay. Oh, I look upset. This looks like an upset face. If I want to do another eye, I can. I can do a smaller one. I can do it the other direction, or I can just leave one eye. But I think I'm going to do one over here. It looks like a D, and with zigzag lines as the eyelashes. Okay, at this point, I can erase this if I want to, which I think I will. You don't have to. It can stay like that. And I'm going to trace everything with marker, and I'm going to color it all in. You can color with marker. You can color with crayon, color pencil, but make sure you color your paper. And boys and girls, do not write your name big, okay? Write your name right at the bottom, right here. So I'm going to write my name very tiny. You don't need to tell me your teacher's name, okay? I don't need all that. No worries. And also, when you turn this into Google Classroom, I know your name already. So please do not write your name big on your drawing. Just write it very tiny in the bottom corner. And then go ahead, and I'm going to trace my pencil lines with a black marker so that it stands out more. Okay, that's what I would like to do. That is my choice. Okay, and then I'm going to go in, and I decided I'm going to paint it in with watercolor. But like I said, you can use crayons, you can use markers, color pencils, oil pastels, anything that you have that you want to use at home. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this. I'm going to paint this in, and then I will take a picture and show it to you on the website. Okay, I hope you have fun. Bye, boys and girls.